Factor completely using the trial and error method if possible. So again, the trial and error method, you would guess the numbers and then multiply till you get the right ones. I'm just going to factor by grouping because it works every time. So we're doing the same thing we did. You multiply first times last, and I'm going to ignore that negative and get 12. And then all the factors of 12. So 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. And I want the two numbers that will add or subtract to 11. So right here, 12 minus 1 is positive 11, but I want negative 11. So I'm going to do 1 minus 12 when I rewrite that middle term. So I'm going to do 1q minus 12q. And then I still have the 4q and the negative 3. And then I use the factor by grouping because it works every time, right? I don't want to do trial and error. So let's take out the greatest common divisor. Our numbers are 4 and 1. So there's nothing there, but these both have a q. And then here I have negative 12 and negative 3. So those both divide by 3, but when this leading number is negative, we want to take that out. So I'm going to divide both of these by negative 3. So q minus 3 is what we took out. Then we're going to write the leftovers from each factor. So we still have a 4 and 1q, and then we have a 1. So that's right why I wrote that 1. And you're like, why'd you write that? It's because I knew it was going to come down here. So I was kind of thinking ahead. Okay, negative 12 divided by negative 3 is positive 4q. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 is positive 1. So remember, our factored form is what we took out. And then this one that we see twice is our second factor. And remember, you can always check your answer. You can go multiply these back out, and you're going to get back to the original. If you don't, that's how you know something's wrong. So q minus 3, 4q plus 1. So look at all that trial and error. Those are all the options, and you would have to multiply those. So you would have to multiply at least 5 to 10 times before you got the right answer. So that's why I did that by grouping.